Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the yellow brick large red damselfly in Heartopia during the Modular Street Festival update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the brick insects in this event, and you can only catch this insect during the Modular Street event. Okay, and let me show you guys where you can catch this yellow brick large red damselfly. I'm going to show you the details. Okay, basically you can catch this insect in any weather. And for the source, you can go to the forest, especially go to the spirit oak pine forest. Okay, I'm going to show you the location on the map. Okay, right here guys, the spirit oak pine forest. Okay, you just need to explore this area and you will meet the yellow brick damselfly. If I'm not mistaken, I catched the damselfly here. Oh, wait. Okay guys, this is the yellow one. Oh, okay, done. Catching the yellow brick large red damselfly. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.